Hello and welcome to the Honest Food Guy review. I'm Tyler, and today we're going to be unboxing our Hungryroot order. This is the first time I've tried Hungryroot. Hungryroot is kind of like a hybrid between the grocery store and a meal kit. So when you get your list, which I can talk about a little bit more, it shows exactly what you're getting as far as what meals you've selected, and then what should be in the box as far as the grocery lists go, or if you've included any more grocery items. Each week you select the amount of meals you want, snacks, breakfast foods, and kids snacks and desserts, and you get a set amount of tokens from that when you order it. Once you order it, you can then add on additional items for additional tokens. So for this order, I believe I did 4 dinners and 2 lunches, I want to say. So I had a total of 56 tokens. And then from those 56 tokens, then I also added to it, like the one meal I had made it 58. So they charged me an additional $3 and something. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and start unboxing here. As you can see, the box says your groceries are inside, and then Hungryroot, obviously, is the name of the company, and this side up. The box came in very good shape. I don't know how it's going to look on the inside there, but we're going to figure that out. Let me just unseal it. I didn't actually have to unseal this one before we got it, like I did on the other boxes. But this is the inside. And then see your recipes here. So they give you a digital QR code, which is nice. So you don't have to worry about all the paper. But also on the paperwork here, let's see. So same thing I was saying. Whoops. Same thing I was saying. When you get this list, it tells you exactly what should be in here, which is nice. It took 1 day to get to me. And then on the back are the recipe cards. So they're all in one. You don't have to worry about getting everything else it's saving paper, really, which is also a good thing. So let's see what we have in here. Sandwich buns. And as you can see, too, as we're unboxing this, looks like that. What is that? One of the spices, the spice wallet there, is like a packet, but in general, like it's a full-on thing. I mean, this is a full-on thing of buns. So sandwich buns, broccoli. Now, I don't know for sure, I haven't opened it, but those don't look too bad. They look pretty fresh from Church Brothers Farms, never heard of them. Fingerling potatoes from Farm Fresh, Canada. Let's see, 1.5 pounds. So it's supposed to serve 2 people. Not bad. Balsamic seasoning. And this is kind of cold. I wouldn't say it's like totally cold because there's probably ice somewhere in here, but I mean, it's not really totally on that, but this looks pretty fresh. I mean, let's see, Best By date March 15th. So today's what, the 11th? So you got 3 days to use it. I'm not sure how fresh it's going to stay. I mean, when I buy lettuce at the grocery store, I try to buy it as far out as possible. Plain and delicious vegan tortillas. Let's see. 20 grams. Where's the ingredients on it, though? Cane sugar, baking. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but cornstarch. Yeah. They don't look, I mean, again, this stuff doesn't look terrible. It's green beans, March 20th. Again, about 9 days to use those. That's good. Sriracha salad kit here. Here's Josie's Organics. March 16th. And then everything that's in it. This doesn't look terrible though. I mean, if you look at the ingredients, like that's more of what I'm looking for as far as what's in it. Basically nothing. It should just be lettuce and some dressing. Onion, starting to peel here, but it's there. See, the only thing I don't like about this is that I wish this was pre-cut for me already. I don't like cutting up vegetables. I just don't. Cucumber, zucchini, one of them. Lime. This is Sam's Fresh Salsa, which is the same thing I've seen in the grocery store, but it's nice that they give you this whole container of this because I do like a lot of the salsa on there. And then I think this is, let's see here, seasonings. Yeah, taco seasoning and blackened seasoning. And a guide, and then it looks like at the bottom here, this is, below it's going to be all the meat. But it goes into how to store your stuff. What did you enjoy? Download the app. Just a, basically a welcome to Hungryroot guide, since I've never ordered before. All right. Yep, here we go. Now we're getting into some more stuff. Chicken thighs. This is definitely frozen and in a different bag here. Let's see. That's separated. Grass-fed beef burgers, $85.15. I do like that it's grass-fed for sure. That's nice. Chicken breast strips. Does it say? It doesn't say anything about them being grass-fed or anything. It just says Hungryroot branded. So that's a little different. All natural chicken, fajita seasoned. So, and as you can tell, this is a little bit thawed out. I mean, not very frozen. Which I guess it should, I don't know how they're supposed to send it. I would assume thawed out. Mahi mahi, that's for one of the salads, I think it was. And again, nothing about mission-driven meat and seafood. Let's see. High sustainable standards. But it doesn't say anything about it being wild caught versus farm caught. Yeah. So, and then I can see the big ice pack there. Andrew and Everett, which is a great brand of cheese. I do love their shredded cheese. I've bought it at Whole Foods many times. So a whole 6-ounce bag, because that's how they sell theirs. I know most in the grocery store are 8, but they definitely come in 6 or 7-ounce bags in the special blends. But I do like that a lot. Nice thing of basil pesto here. Now, of course, these are right on the ice too, which is why I wondered, that one that didn't feel very frozen was interesting. And then cauliflower gnocchi. So, as you can see, the ingredients around the front. It is a Hungryroot branded item. Very easy cooking instructions. And then I'm missing, let's see. Avocado cremas, 2 of those. Used by 523. So again, everything on here except for some of the produce could be out a little bit more. Has nice dates. And then this is a rock hard solid ice that is one of the ones that has drainable gel and plant-based food. So you can literally take this and put it right in your plants, which is nice. And that's it. So we've got everything here. I don't really have it nice and neat. but all stacked up, and then kind of just looking back at the recipes now that you've seen all the items here. Blackened mahi mahi with crispy smashed potatoes, balsamic onion burger and cucumber salad, fresh and zesty chicken tacos, extra green pesto gnocchi bake, rotisserie chicken green goddess salad, and a spicy fajita chopped salad. So this is going to be for one of the chicken dishes. Then you've got the other, the thighs that are going to be for another one. And then all the sauces and everything that goes with it. But anyway, so far it looks like the packaging was okay. And then I will report back, and I'm excited to try it. I don't know how it's going to taste. Like I said, some of the items I already buy in the grocery store as it is. But I can definitely see this, if it comes in like this, like it's supposed to, with a long enough date, especially on the produce, I think it could be a great replacement for grocery store, like actual grocery store shopping, the way that you shop it. Being able to select those breakfast foods, desserts, kids foods, whatever, and have it all come in one box. And you know, it's full that's what I'm saying. It's full portions. That's like I have a whole bag of cheese here. Maybe I only needed one bag of cheese this week. There it is, right? And then it's for a recipe that they're already sending, which is also nice. But anyway, that's it for now. There'll be a link in my description for $50 off if you'd like to try it on your first order. And as always, you know, comment, like, and share. Appreciate it again. Have a good day.